Alright, what's up traders? It's Mark here, coming at you with today's live trading recap. Today is Friday, August 18th, 2023. Happy Friday. And first things first, guys, what's your take on this new multi-time frame volume analysis color band? Looks very interesting, looks very unique. I think it does a fantastic job of showing you how long and how far the market is trending. But also the way that my people have been using it is to identify these beautiful turning points, right? Just like you would do on the regular vol, except now you're also capturing higher time frame volume analysis from a separate chart and drawing it into this chart, right? And that's why this version of the vol color band, I call this the mega vol, is very unique looking. Understand? And yep, you guessed it, even on this multi-time frame vol color band, we're still trying to look for retracements. Okay, you guys have heard me say this probably a million times by now. There's nothing more powerful, and frankly speaking, there's nothing more profitable, in my humble opinion, than waiting for these pullbacks to get into some sort of higher time frame, longer, more established trend. You understand? I mean, when the market is trending down, it's going to stay trending down. And when the market is trending up, represented by this green mega vol, it's going to continue trending up. I'm just convinced of this by now. Right? So I definitely want to know what your guys' take is on this new multi-time frame volume analysis tool. I think it's very intriguing. I love using it on the NASDAQ. It's also very effective on oil. I think I also tried it on gold and the Russell. Those are probably the top four that I like. Okay, but yeah, today was a very interesting day. The market was down big and just clawed its way back. And I think this new multi-time frame strategy and system can be very effective. So if you already have the vol, get in touch. I'll try to get you some details. Remember, this is a brand new product. It's a prototype, and I'd love to see what kind of success you are going to have with this new multi-time frame volume analytical tool. All right, that'll do it for this video. What a crazy week it was. Thousands of ticks were just there for the taking. Congrats to everybody who crushed it today using all of my software, and I cannot wait to see what the market has in store for us next week. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo. Really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.